Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health plan with Anthem, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Anthem website to familiarize yourself with their services. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access your health plan details. Review your current plan benefits and coverage options. Check for any updates or changes to your plan. Take note of important dates, such as renewal and enrollment periods. Set reminders for when you need to review or update your plan. Contact Anthem customer service if you have specific questions about your coverage. Utilize the Anthem mobile app to stay informed and manage your health plan on the go. Make sure to review network providers and facilities associated with your plan. Keep a personal record of all your medical information and treatments. Ensure that your contact information is up to date for communication from Anthem. Stay informed about preventive care services covered by your plan. Enroll in wellness programs that Anthem may offer for improved health and savings. Be proactive about scheduling regular checkups and screenings. Monitor your claims and benefits usage through your account. Understand the appeals process if a claim is denied. Regularly check for new resources or tools available through Anthem. Consider utilizing the health coaching services offered for personalized guidance. Engage with community health initiatives or events sponsored by Anthem. Be aware of any special programs for managing chronic conditions that may benefit you. Always read all communications from Anthem carefully to avoid missing important information. Review your health plan annually to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Make adjustments to your plan during the open enrollment period if necessary. Know your rights regarding privacy and protection of your personal health information. Stay proactive and informed to effectively safeguard your health plan with Anthem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.